In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV into customer.io. If you've been wondering how to do this effectively, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process. First, you want to launch customer.io and navigate to the import section. Now, to do this for people specifically, you need to go to the People tab, click on Add People, and then select Import a CSV/Google Sheet. On the other hand, if you're dealing with different data types like events, objects, or relationships, you should go to Data and Integrations. From there, find and click on Imports. Once you're in this section, look to the top right for the Import button and give it a click. You'll then choose what you're importing, be it people, events, objects, or relationships. Next up, it's time to upload your CSV file. Simply click the Choose File button, navigate through your files, and select the CSV file that you've prepared. Here's a little tip. Make sure that your CSV is neat and properly formatted before you begin the upload to avoid any issues later on. After you've selected your file, you'll need to provide a name and a description for this import. This part is crucial because it helps you to easily identify the import later on, especially if you plan to perform multiple imports over time. Now, you're at a point where you need to decide the nature of your import. Customer.io gives you the flexibility to add new records, update existing ones, or do both simultaneously. If you're focusing on people, you'll need to specify whether you want to add new people, update the existing ones, or perhaps do a combination of both. Make your choice depending on what suits your project's needs. Once your CSV has been uploaded, it's time to map those CSV fields to customer.io attributes. This involves linking each column in your CSV to a specific attribute in customer.io. If a particular attribute doesn't exist yet, don't worry. You can create a new one right there. One important thing to keep in mind is ensuring that your identifier column in the CSV, like an email or an ID, is mapped accurately. This is critical because if customer.io can't find a proper identifier, the row will likely fail to import. Before you finalize the import, take a moment to preview it. This preview typically shows the first few rows and allows you to double-check for any mapping or format issues or even missing identifiers. Pay close attention to any warnings or errors that appear during this preview stage, as rows with these will not be imported. If you see something off, you might need to revisit and tweak your CSV and try again. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Complete Import to start the process. Importing is often a go-ahead-and-wait kind of operation, as once it's started, you typically can't stop it halfway through the user interface. But with everything squared away beforehand, you'll have a seamless experience by the end of it. There you have it, a straightforward walkthrough on importing CSV files into customer.io.